Welcome to Arafat Electrical and Electronics. We specialize in repairs of LCD TVs, DVD and home theaters, microwave and blenders. Today I'll be teaching on how to repair this microwave, Hisense microwave oven. Wow. Let's go. The microwave is not coming on. It's coming on, but it's not heating. Now let's go. Let's see what the fault is. In this microwave, we have the oven, transformer, and the capacitor with the little fuse inside. One of these may be the fault. Let's see. Let's bring out the oven to check if the oven is the issue. This is my multimeter. I'm going to read the oven to see if the oven is alright or not. First, you read the two legs. Both legs will read even if it's bad. Now, okay, the oven is shorting. As you can see here, the meter is reading. The oven is reading to the body, which is not supposed. You turn it over to the other side, the same thing. So this oven is shorting. In that case, you cannot change only the oven. Maybe the fuse too might be bad, because once the oven gets bad, it can affect the fuse. Now let's see if the fuse is okay too. This is the fuse. The fuse is bad. The fuse is bad. As you can see here, the meter is not moving, which means the fuse is bad. Now, let's fix it. This is a new oven. We go with this oven and then fill the fuse. Like I said, this is the new one and this is the old one. Now let's read to confirm what I was saying earlier on. Anyone that is good will read here, the bad one to the same thing. To read the same thing, but look at where the fault is. The leg is reading to the earth, which is not supposed. As you can see, the meter is moving. You don't suppose to. Now this is the new one. It didn't read. It did not move, which means this one is good. Now let's go. Like I said before, you cannot change only the oven without checking the fuse. Now you need to fill the fuse. Filling the fuse back so that the transformer will transfer voltage to the capacitor. As you can see, the fuse is very tiny, and we're supposed to use a direct fuse. For this, how this microwave was produced. Okay. Wow. Let's check if the fuse is okay now. Very good. It's okay now. Now let's test run to see what's gone so far. Wow, as you can see, the water is hot. It's hot now, working 100%. Like I said, the oven and the fuse was bad. Thank you for watching. In case if you have issues like this, your electronics, microwave, blender, you can go to my YouTube channel, Arafat Electronics, for tutorials. In case if you are in Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, you can come to number 26 Azikoro Road, Ekeki, Yenagoa. Thank you.